What's up, folks? Finance Morning Update. September 18th. A little lower today. Interesting highs, '07, also the 50-day. So that's going to obviously be a level. So if we can get above that, then I think we could probably look at cleaning up singles. Up here, 45.20 would be the first level. And then we can get up to, what is that, 45.47. So those would be up above my two levels. That 37, there's a lot of traffic in here, so it would be very hard to see where this would stop, but that would be probably it. And then if we get all the way up to 45.55, which I doubt. Down below, if we open up below this 94.95, I think we could probably see some downside. 75 clears up the singles from, I don't know, this was last week. But I'd really look at that 70 level. And then we break 70, we could get probably that 44 level. I don't know. This is kind of an interesting tidbit. We could easily bounce right in here where you poke a low and then reverse during cash. But who knows? We'll see. As of now, this is bearish to me. Here's our hourly. Here's our pivots. 45.19 and 22 is my line. So that's a decent level right there. 44.73, that's almost perfect. That's 75. That clears up the singles. 44.47 is 3 above the 44. 44.01. So I really like these downside pivots. 45 is awesome. 91 and 17, those two are okay. So I would watch that. But again, as of now, I mean, trading right now, I'm using 22, 25 as my resistance, maybe 27, but it's interesting. So here's, you've come up, we had a hard day down. We're back below the 50. We're having a red day. 100 days at 43.87. I don't think we see that. This is the roll gap, 44.72-ish. Here's your daily. So, we're pretty much at the opening and close, below opening and closing of last month, which was roughly 45.18. So it looks like I think we're heading down, maybe into this gap, into that 44.70. So we'll see today how this works out. Euro is taking quite a spill here. This level did hold, so we're going to look for a bounce here somewhat, and it looks like a little bit. I mean, it's basically unchanged today. It did try for one on Friday, but it kind of halved back. Apple looks like it's popping up. NVIDIA is down a casual 10. Dow's up 7. NQ's down. I mean, we're basically kind of unch, so we'll see what happens. Cash gap up above from Thursday was 05 to 97. So I would look at that as well. 44.82 is your 50-day. And then down here, I'd look for that for support, which would be 44.14, 44.05. Or possibly a gap fill. We'll see. But we're kind of in between those two gaps, so maybe we rush up and tap this and then come back down. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. Stay nimble. This is going to be a wild week with Fed Day on Wednesday, Bank of Japan, Bank of England. There's Fed rate Wednesday. I don't know. We'll see. It's going to be a wild week, so hopefully we'll have some great move into levels and reversals and have an easy making money, but structure will be a little bit more same because the roll is over, so these moves will probably be more a little bit more readable. Anyway, I'll be in the room.